Ready? Power up! It's here! The keyboard and the mouse. I know because I ordered it from GearBest. Let's open it up. This is a full-size keyboard complete with a number pad. There are actually 108 keys. Let me put my microphone near the keyboard so you can hear the clicks. The cable here is 1.6 meters long with a USB 2.0 interface. It's actually a braided cable. Let's power up this baby. It's plug and play, so there's no need to install any drivers. Ready? Power up! Beautiful, isn't it? To change the lighting effect, just press Function and Insert key. So now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the lighting effects. Press Function and Delete key to change the color cycle. This is also known as a backlit keyboard with RGB lights. Although the spec says it requires Windows operating system to work, it actually works with my Mac. This mechanical keyboard uses the blue switch type. When pressed, you'll feel a bump and a click sound. It delivers a distinct tactile feedback, which I personally like. Because of that, the keyboard is going to be wonderfully noisy. So be considerate when you are working with colleagues nearby or sleeping children. It supports anti-ghosting, which means if you press any number of keys simultaneously, every key will respond. This will only be useful for gaming. There are 5 lighting modes for gaming professionals. Press Function 1 for any standard first-person shooter game. Press Function 2 for Crossfire. Function 3 for Call of Duty. Function 4 for League of Legends. And Function 5 for QQ Race. So, if you've been looking for a backlit mechanical keyboard, this is the Alfawise V1 for intensive typing and gaming. What's the use of an ergonomic keyboard without an ergonomic mouse? Look at where the buttons are. That's why it's called a vertical mouse. Now, let me explain the ergonomics. If we use a regular mouse, we have to turn our wrist to suit our hand to the mouse. So why not make a mouse that suits our hand? It's got a rubbery surface, so I can feel a very firm grip. Above and within reach of my thumb is the forward and backward button. On the other side is the left button, right button, and the clickable scroll wheel. The name here is also a button. This button controls the DPI, or rather the sensitivity of the mouse. At the bottom, the on-off switch for smooth, waxy feet. The optical sensor, the battery compartment. Batteries are not included. Okay, you'll need 2 AAA batteries. And then we have the USB wireless receiver. The wireless receiver goes into the USB port of the computer. Now let me place 2 AAA batteries inside. Again, batteries are not included. Now that the batteries are in, you can see the optical laser sensor in action. Once you plug in the wireless receiver, it works straight away. No software installation required. Wireless transmission is up to 10 meters. Although the spec says it requires Windows operating system, it actually works on my Mac. Unlike the keyboard, the only light it has is coming from the optical sensor, and it's a rather quiet mouse. There you have it, my ergonomic keyboard and mouse for work and play. Click the link below to check out the price. You'll be surprised.